Introduction to Geography Grade 10 CBE, presented to you by your mentor, Teacher Ayubu Mwiti. How beautiful it is having this opportunity to bring to you Geography at level Grade 10. First and foremost, it is good and nice to break down strands and their substrands. Kindly share, like and tell me which you want me to prepare next video. The area with more votes will actually win. In this beautiful and interesting learning area, we have 3 strands which were initially called topics in the 844 system. First strand being practical geography. Under practical geography, we will learn introduction to geography, map reading and interpretation, statistical methods, geographical information system. Strand 2 being natural systems and processes. Under this strand, we will be able to learn rocks 18 lessons, earth movement 6 lessons, folding 12 lessons, volcanicity 13 lessons, earthquakes 10 lessons. Strand 3, human and economic activities. Under human and economic activities, we will be able to cover agriculture 15 lessons, mining 20 lessons, energy 20 lessons, and finally industry 20 lessons. Let's soar in the first strand, practical geography, introduction to geography, lesson 1, carrying 8 lessons. Meaning and branches of geography. Under this substrand, the learner should be able to understand the meaning of geography and finally identify and analyze the branches of geography together with appreciating why the subject is broad and practical in daily life situation. Imagine you are living in a world where you don't understand weather, the land, or how people interact with the environment. Everything around us is important. Geography is the study of the earth, its people, and the environment. Geography is the study of the earth, its people, and the environment. That's the simple definition of geography. The study of earth, the people, and the environment. 2 main branches of geography. We have physical geography, dealing with the natural features, that is rivers, climate, rocks, and soils. Human geography, dealing with the man-made features like people, settlements, population, and industries. Sub-branches in geography are climatology, study of climate, geomorphology, study of the land, cartography, population studies, economic geography. How confident do you feel about understanding geography today? End of lesson 1. Welcome to lesson 2. Importance of learning geography. Every time you decide what to wear, where to live, or when to plant crops, you are using knowledge of geography. Geography helps us to understand weather and climate patterns. Geography guides planning, that is road, towns, disaster preparedness, and etc. Geography promotes environmental conservation. Geography improves decision making. Geography supports sustainable development. Geography helps in when to expect rainfall, when to plant, when to harvest. What importance of geography surprised you the most? End of lesson 2. Lesson 3. Relationship between geography and other disciplines. In this chapter, we are going to explore how geography relates with other school subjects. 1. Being geography and biology. How geography and biology related. This is how they are related. In geography and biology, both there is a study of ecosystem and vegetation. Number 2, how is geography and chemistry related? In both, there is study of pollution and the soil composition. Number 3, how is geography and mathematics related? In both, there is a study of map scale and statistics. Number 4, how is geography and history, that is social studies, related? In both, there is migration, learning of migration and settlement. Number 5, geography and business. How are these two learning areas related to one another? In both, there is study of transport and trade. Remember, it's in subjects kama biashara. Business ni kuhusu biashara, trading, transportation of goods and services. Which subject links with the geography most naturally for you? End of lesson 3. Lesson 4. Understanding careers in geography. Identify careers from branches of geography. Understand the meaning of a career. Understand the career choice factors. Remember, in biology, grade 10, we talked about the factors that should not interfere with your choice, career choice, and the factors that should be considered when you are selecting your career choices. There are some 2 factors. We have factors that should and the factors that should not interfere with your career choice. So in this area, understand the meaning of a career. What is a career? Factors to consider when selecting your career are interests. So interests should be considered. Abilities should be considered. Market demand should be considered. Training should be considered. Career in physical geography. We have meteorologists. We have hydrologists. Geologists. Careers in human geography management. We have urban planner, cartographer, surveyor, GIS specialist. Careers in environment. Careers in environment. Careers in environment. We have ecologists, an environmental officer, climate analysts. Which geography career interests you the most? End of lesson 4. Commercial break. After the break, we will consider the assessment questions. In these strands we have carried out or gone through